This video is over multiplying binomials with the box method. When you have the factors x plus 4 times x plus 3, we need to multiply these together in order to find the product. You can find this by using the box method, which is basically just a graphic organizer. For those of you watching this and know what FOIL is, it's the same type of thing, except it just helps see it in a more visual way. You'll take what's in the first parentheses, and you're going to put it down the left-hand side, x plus 4. You take what's in the second parentheses, and you'll put it across the top, x plus 3. Now we're going to do like we did our multiplication tables back when we were younger and learning how to multiply. X times x gives us x squared. Then you do the next ones, x times 3, 3x. X times 4, which is 4x. 3 times 4, which gives you 12. Now if you notice out of the 4 boxes, 2 of them are the same. These 2 right here are always going to have your x's, so you can combine them by combining like terms. First, though, when we go to do our product, we're going to write what's in the first box, and that's our x squared. Then we go and we combine our like terms, and 4 plus 3 is 7. Just like there's a plus sign in the box, it'll help remind you that you need to add them. And you get 7x, and the last term goes there, which is plus 12. Now, if you have the TI-83 or 84 calculator, you can put the factors into y1. You'd put all of this into y1, your product into y2, and press second graph. And if all of y1 and y2 are the same, that means you are correct. Let's try another one. There are my factors, 2x plus 1 times x minus 8. I draw my box. 2x plus 1 goes on the left-hand side. X minus 8 goes across the top. Technically, it doesn't matter. You could put x minus 8 down the left-hand side, but this is just easier to show it the same each time. So now we go through and we'll multiply 2x times x. That gives us 2x squared. 2x times negative 8 is negative 16x. 1 times x, 1x. 1 times negative 8, if it'll come up, there we go, is negative 8. Now let's find our product. Our product, what's in the first square up there is 2x squared. Then you will combine the x's again. The x's are both in these 2 squares right here. Negative 16 plus 1. Negative 15x. And then minus 8. Again, to check, put the factors into y1, the product into y2, and press second graph to double check and make sure that you added and multiplied correctly. Here's another example. I would pause the video and see if you got your answers correct. Now I draw my box. 3x minus 1 on the left-hand side, x plus 7 across the top. You multiply 3x times x, 3x squared. 3x times 7, 21x. Negative 1 times x, negative 1x. Negative 1 times 7, negative 7. Now let's write our product. We have 3x squared. Add the 2 boxes with the x's together. 21x minus 1x gives us 20x. And then you bring down the last one, which was minus 7. Here's another one. Pause the video and try and find the answer. You have 4x minus 2 and 8x minus 9 across the top. 4x times 8x, 32x squared. 4x minus 9, or times negative 9, sorry, 4x times negative 9 is negative 36x. Negative 2 times 8x, negative 16x, and negative 2 times negative 9 is positive 18. Combine like terms to find your product. 32x squared, negative 36 plus a negative 16x gives you negative 52x, and then plus 18.